So, can you TikTok shop without 1K followers? Can you TikTok shop without 1,000 followers on your TikTok account? The short answer is yes, you can open a TikTok shop account without having 1,000 followers, but the requirements depend on whether you are registering as a seller or trying to use the creator affiliate tools. So, the first thing, if you're going to register as TikTok shop seller, anyone can apply to be a seller. If you're in a region where you can open a TikTok shop, again, not all regions or countries have yet been allowed on TikTok shop. So if you open an account as a seller, TikTok seller, a seller in that country that is allowed or for TikTok shop, you don't need followers to open a TikTok shop a seller account. You need valid business documents or personal ID if registering as an individual, a bank account, and product listings that comply with TikTok's policies. Once approved, you can list products directly in TikTok shop. However, for people who want to do affiliate marketing via TikTok or shop, the requirements are different. To earn commissions by promoting other people's products on TikTok shop, TikTok often requires 1,000 plus followers in certain regions. However, in some countries, TikTok allows creators with fewer followers to join if they meet engagement or content quality standards. This threshold varies by region and country, and TikTok current program rules. So those are the requirements that you need. But that sums up how to have TikTok shop without 1,000 followers.